accept
yourself
you. It's
time.
okay. As the straight community, we accept you and we forgive
You
you
don't have
We,
and we
to.
love
You
you.
who's
don't
we
have
as
to.
who's we?
Yabo.
It's I as
We
an
accept
individual.
you.
Mm,
No, as the
mm.
straight
It's I
community,
as an
we accept
individual.
you,
No.
we
Ungathini.
forgive you, and we will learn to
Forgive for
understand.
what?
Yabo.
Forgive
We will
what?
learn to
What do you have
understand
to forgive? Ungixolela
everything.
in. Forgive what?
Everything.
Thina-ke abafana
Which
ngeke
things?
sibaxole for i-GBV nohlala nikhohlakele ngeke nitshintshe. Thank you.
We forgive you and we will learn. We will keep trying, but
Okay.
for now,
I want
it will
us to
take
fix this,
time.
ne? Schema, whoa, zero. Ngicela ungilalele, ungi-understande, ungajahi uphendule, okay?
Mm-hmm.
We forgive you. Ungixolelaphi? And azange uthi like in day one, forgive her in, ungixolela in. Asibeke lapho. For being myself. Ngiyangixolela.
We forgive you, bro. That's all you have to know.
For what?
Nathi
Forgiving what?
siyakuxolela, maybe uzovuka sozi-accepte wena. Mina ngiyakuxolela shem for ukuthi uziphilise impilo ebuhlungu. It's fine.
Yo.
We
Because manje
accept
mele
you.
unuka amadumbe.
We
Because
will
manje mele unuka amadumbe ungafuni
we
ngabe
will learn.
uzinukela i-play girl.